Never stop believing. Never lose faith. In the big TJ. Haha. Oh, yes. Every fucking trade, you put your fucking reputation on the line. That's the facts. It's fucked, but it's the truth. Don't know why. It's the truth. Doesn't matter how well you do, mate. You're only as good as your last trade. Edit. Let me get a thumbnail on this. Mate, I'm actually a fucking gold machine. I'm actually a gold machine. I'm not even joking. I'm like a gold mine. Like, I'm actually a gold mine. Just TPs all the time, basically. Sometimes you get the SL here and there. It's fucking cool trading. Come roast me. Or watch a trading guru. Or watch a trading guru do some gold madness. Look at it go. Look at it go. Oh, yes. Never stop believing. Oh, yes. Once it breaks, it's GG. Once that breaks, boys, it's going to the moon. Oh, no. I mean, TFF got taken away from me, so it wasn't a scam, was it? If millions of people got payouts, like millions of dollars of payouts, and I refunded over 450,000, and I was the one that got scammed by a technology company. But you know, you don't know anything. And Funding Pairs is upgrading its technology to automatic because it was manually done. So if someone hits DD, it doesn't close the account. Yeah, it says on the system. Instead, for it to be beneficial for people, customers, traders, trading, it works. It's better if it just closes the account. Same with like if you take profit on the account was 10%, let's say, and you hit 10% and the trade goes in over 10%, then it closes automatically. Automations is the best way for traders experience. So right now, because it's my technology, a developer's having to redesign that. So during that, we was like, well, we'll just pause it because there's no point keeping traders on the same system. It needed changing. Same with auto KYC too. That needed doing because before it was all on the system. Well, why Why make it a slow process when it can just be done through an app, which we can API onto the back end, which needs all coding obviously into the back end. But then once it's done, it's done. So that's not true at all. Here we go. Another 100 pips and take profit smashed, and we've all made a shitload of money. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my God, look at it go. Here we go, 3365. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Always here, brother. I've probably made so many people so much money. No, you can't even teach trading. Not really. You gotta naturally learn it. I'm not even gonna lie. It's just about believing in yourself and then being good at the skill areas where it can just react off. That's literally it. Trading's easy, but it's learning about yourself, which is the hardest fucking thing. It's the bad habits, over trading, all the fucking shit that comes with it. The sleepless nights. Oh my God. Trading's so hard. There's been days, bro, nights where I do not sleep. Back to back. I remember trading, holding out like a mad trade before. Oh, mate, it fucked me up. Now, that's why I don't hold trades really anymore. Because I want to fucking sleep at night. Sometimes I'll have a sell limit or something. Or if SL's entry, then it's good. Victor, what's up, bro? Funding pips coming back, obviously. Just changing things to automated like KYC. You know, when trade profit, when your account hits like 8%, let's say P1, then it will close automatically if your trade's in profit. So just making some minor improvements. So, you know, 1 to 2 weeks, it's going to come back. Small time frame. I know it's taken a little while, but the thing is with this sort of stuff, the business is going to stay for a long time. So I'd rather sort this issue now than later, because right now, you know, it's still at the start of its build. So it's better to make the change now instead of 6 to 12 months time, when we've got probably like 1,000+% more customers trading with us, you know. You holding, bro? Of course I am, Daniel, mate. Holding right now. Currently making a video for the reels. So, yep. Holding to take profit, which is the 3373. Continue to hold. We're going to see price probably pull back to this zone and then continue up. Or we're just going to see it absolutely fly, mate. So just continue to hold, because this price here, it's a lot of pips, mate. We're talking 70 pip hold more. And currently we're in plus 100 pips. So, you know, it's nearly 70% of what you're holding right now in profit. So you have to continue to hold this trade out. No point closing halfway, you know. I believe gold's going to go 3380 if I'm honest, mate. So this is 120 pips away from the 3380 zone, which is up here. And I believe we're going to go all the way up here. But I did set a sell limit. I may change my mind. I'm unsure. I still believe we need to pull back to the 3330 range, which is down here. If I show you the 1H, I'll do a little showdown for you boys. As you can see, you know, we're going to respect the previous lower highs, which is what we did. That's why we jumped in, if I'm honest with you boys. We do need to react off the 3330, because down here, whoopsie, down here is an LQ grab, mate. So we know this is going to come in at play at some point. Could be the 3380, but could be the 3373, or even up here, boys. I can't lie. You're looking at a big level. So you got the previous higher lows here. Nothing's been touched. So you're looking for a retest to come to 3420, which is right here. This will happen at some point in the trade. This is going to happen at some point because right now we've got levels. One of the pullbacks, next pullback's at the 3330. But apart from that, you're going to see gold run bullish, probably up into the... I was going to say 3380 because the high low, but this wicked before, so it would make sense for it to retest the 3420 zone as well. So, you know, I'm going to close that sell limit, let's say, boys. And it's because of the daily, I believe. Let me just quickly check something because I'm doing this live. I don't want to throw myself off, but there's... What's going on? Hello? Is my chart broken? If I check the daily, right, that was it. Premier high body. This 3420 zone is going to come in touch, but you're going to see some sort of reaction around this area because the high low. But after looking at that chat, I'm not even going to lie, we're going long, boys. We're going seriously long. The 3380, so I'm actually going to move my... Going to cancel the sell limits. I'm cancelling the sell limits. It's because I'm looking for a trade. Right. This is what we're doing. Move gold TPs to 3380 and close the sell limit, please. Basically, I was waiting for some sort of pullbacks to the 3380 zone. But after taking a look, normally we would need to retest this 3380, but because of how bullish gold is, it's going to continue to ascend bullish. I don't think it's going to respect any technical analysis. So I reckon you can hold this to 3,380. All right. Cool. I'm moving TP to 3380 now. That's a good TP. It's the next area where gold is going to react from. So we need to hold it to the 3380 zone. Now we just hold. Here we go. Look at this. Absolutely flying. Daniel, what lot size are you in, mate? Oh my god, look at it go. My god, look at it go. Oh my god, look at it go. I've got to close it here. I've got to close it here. Close gold, close gold. Close gold, close gold, close gold, close gold, close gold, close gold, close gold. Quick, 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 quick. Re-entries, buy limits, 3363. Living young. Look at that. Closing plus 100 pips. I'm going to get re-entries too. What am I saying here? Closing plus 200 pips. What the fuck am I doing here? That's how it's supposed to be. Close. No, I don't care. Because if me a team in here. Turn a mag. Blowing everywhere we're going. Oh, fuck. I think I'm going to get copy striked. I think I'm going to get copy strike now because I've been singing that fucking song. That's so stupid. I fucking hate YouTube. No. They're so strict. Buy limit. Look at this, boys. Buy limit. We're going 3364, right? SL 3359. And you go TP 3380. To be fair, not even 80. You can go 84, 200 pips. I'll put it in the chat. One sec. Right, we're close for this. Now this is what we do. You ready? 64 entry price. 3384, 200 pips. Stop loss 33659. 50 pip. No, we do this one now. Trust me, this is easy. So what we go out. Mate, can even jump in sales here. I'm not even joking. Watch. If you wanted to be extra greedy, you could do sales here at 74. But don't fucking do not do this. Unless you're unless you want to just maximize your profits, you know. But there's no point. You just wait for the buy limit. Right, I'm heading off anyway. But yeah, they're my next buy limits. Catch you in a bit.